This is our selection clones. This is a breeding program for selection for individual clones. You can see some tuberized earlier, which means early variety. Yeah, this is all the same combination. Yeah, you can see some of them earlier than the other. You can see the root development and all the different, because they're all different clones. All individuals are all different clones. Yeah. This is a clone like ERE, Rose King, which is come from the Rose Valley close by the Golden King. So the mother is a red potato. So you can see there is some, mostly red potato, and you can see the early maturity, and some of them it's not pollinized. You can see that this is white potato from the mother of white. And here you can see mostly here is these combinations, mostly not early maturity clones. Looks like the late maturity clone combination. And you can see a lot of white potato, mostly white potato, tuberizing early, and some of them not tuberizing yet, late mature variety. So this is long happy, oblong happy, but you can see that there are some round potato, even the mother was oblong. And this is happy, mother is happy. Yeah, you can, this looks like happy, but all the others are different from mother plant. And here's another clone. Yeah, as I said, all are different. Each individual are different. You can see the root development runner all different, because each clone, what I mean, one by one, are different, all from different combinations. This is K potatolab. This is also V56 clone. And here ERE clones. Also ERE clones. And the spunta. Yeah, spunta. Open pollinated spunta. Yeah, they look like a spunta. Yeah, they look like spunta, oblong, yellow. Yeah, these are different combinations. The reason what we're doing here, this is also, yeah, you can see some going good, some are not so good. Yeah, we are not rising, some late maturity. Yeah.